Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, you see it have many effects. Let's try to create it. At first we need to have the picture. For the picture you can download it from everywhere. You can find it. After finding the picture, the important thing about the picture is that this is the picture. Let me just increase it to the real height. It's also interesting for you. You can increase the picture to its real size like that. After that, we need to create three pictures in the same size, like these trees. Let's see how we can do that. We create one copy of that, and we format the picture. Go to picture correction and make it a little darker. And copy that another time, and here make it a little brighter. Okay, now we need to crop them. We just simply go to picture format, use crop and bring it down. You see, if you want to make your work unpredictable, the data is here. You just need to divide it by 3. For example, I'm going with 2.2. It's good. I think 2.7. You see, it's the height and it's changed with the width. For that, you need to change it by hand. You see, it's already near. Let's go a little down. Here, I think it's good. 2.7. Okay, it's good. Now we click on the back picture and do the same thing. We bring it to 5.3. It's good. A little down. Now we select all three pictures and go to picture corrections. We correct them one by one. This is 0. Make the brightness 0. Go here. Make this 0. You see? The picture is created. Now we are going to create the transition, but before creating the transition you must understand something. You need to crop this to shape to this size for the transition. Let me just bring that up. Okay, here is good. Now we need to copy our text. This text is just a simple text that created and has nothing else. You use Overdrive Sunset as a font and everything is ready. Now, let me just copy this slide. Copy this slide and paste it here. Okay, we need to bring this out to create a fun edge. Okay, it's good. Now I also like to give it a little down shadow. I like bottom shadows. After that we need to bring this thing to front and bring this thing to front. Now we need to select all three of them and send them to back. Okay, we need to create this thing also. You see, we need to create this thing. How we can create this thing? It's really easy. We need a new slide. In this new slide, we need this text and we need to insert a circle. By holding Ctrl and Shift, you can increase it in size. After that, align it in the middle. Then decrease the size of this thing. Then go to shape format, align it center, align it middle. Then bring it here. Sorry, bring this to front. Now select both of them and make them combine. Now your shape is ready. All you need to do is to bring it top and you need to copy your text. You see, this is just a simple text. I copy that and paste it here. Now I copy these two and paste them here. Okay, now I bring this thing out. Sorry, let me just fix it. Okay, it's good. Now I copy these three and paste them here and send them to back and gave them a bottom shadow. Okay, everything is ready. Now just set the transition to morph and let the magic happen. Okay, let's see. If you like this kind of videos, you can find many of them on my channel, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.